Hey everyone, welcome to Tricolor Creations. This is my first attempt at creating art using the doodle technique. I'm sure most of us at some point have made doodle art. I used to create random scribbles and characters when I was younger, oftentimes in school notebooks when I wasn't really paying attention in classes. Recently, there's been a lot of hype behind doodle art, and there's some really popular YouTubers now creating some really unique characters, so I wanted to give it a shot and see what I could create. Of all the art styles that I've tried up to this point, this one was really relaxing and very therapeutic. It's often that artists, have this pressure that every time we put paint on canvas that we really want to create something amazing. I can personally tell you that I've created so many pieces that I had to scrap because I just wasn't able to translate the vision that I had into a physical painting. So with doodling, I really had no expectations. I was just randomly creating lines and shapes, and I loved the way this one turned out. It really felt effortless, and coloring in each block was really meditative. I recommend you try creating some doodle art at home. Maybe after a long, stressful day, I could really see how this would help calm your mind and just kind of be really relaxing. To color this in, I'm using a new acrylic paint pen set that I ordered recently. I'll do a detailed review in a later video if you're interested. Let me know if you want to see that. Go ahead and comment in the section below. I didn't do as good a job as I wanted coloring in each block perfectly. I'll have to go back in and fill in some of these small residual white spaces that you see. As I was shading this in, it reminded me of the colors by numbers concept. I was trying to make sure that I evenly spaced out the colors in different color blockings, and I wanted to make sure I added as much depth as possible. I'm exploring the option of maybe mixing two different techniques to create an art piece next. Maybe doing an acrylic pour along with a doodle. What do you think? As the colors started to come together, I started to notice shapes and patterns that I didn't even notice prior to coloring it in. Every time I focus on a different area, I keep picturing different things. I see a rocket blasting down on the top left corner, I see a jester's hat, I see a dragon's eye, I see a king's crown, there's a shape of a moon. Take a minute to pause the video at the end and take a look at it. Let me know what you see, I'm very curious. Would love to hear what others visualize and interpret from this doodle. As always, thank you for watching, it really means a lot to me. I would love for you to subscribe and support a small channel like mine, and feel free to check out some of my other videos on the channel. Until next time, have a good one.